She addicted to the manicures and coffee.
Hello guys and welcome to Nailist. Today we got a SHEIN nail stuff haul. So, nail art supplies from SHEIN. Good quality, low price, great variety. Let's check them. Hey. Before we get this video started, please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel if you want to see me do more of that stuff. And I will make sure to give you the best content I can. So, you all know the hype about the Gel X tips, whatever stays on the nail and is already pre-built. You got the apex curve, you got the C curve, you got everything, and it's just been going on and on. So, I got some forms. There are some nail forms. These are coffin shaped and they come in this very nice packaging. It's actually very easy to use them. You find your sizing very easily. And you can also store them very well. I also got the same for our toes. We're going to be doing some toenail art, and these have pretty much the same philosophy here. You can see it. Big toe to small toe, and nice and long like we like them. And one more packet with forms. This is what it is. It's some dual forms in stiletto shape. It should have around 10 of each size, and they're really easy, like with acrylic gel, poly gel, whatever you want to call it. You just fill it with the product, put it on your nail, and then pop it after you cure it. And it's just easy peasy. You got more time to just draw something beautiful on something built well, which is what takes the most of the time, in my opinion. Okay. I have been looking for foils in a lot of places, but SHEIN has some of the best priced foils, and these ones come in lace patterns. They are black and white. Let me show you. Like, look how pretty this is. I'll try to list everything below, but I think this will last for a good while. Ooh la la. I get some very pretty crystals. They do have like a greenish tone. I'll give you guys some close-ups. And then I got this sequins. Yeah. And then I got the sequins. They're mixed with glitter. And this looks so pretty, you guys. I'll make sure I'll show you that up close too. And I believe this is one of the same. It has all sorts of color, and it has from like big sequins to smaller to glitter. This is really good for holiday designs and stuff like that. Speaking of holidays, I got some reindeers, which are so cute. from the moment I got those coffee and matcha tea charms. I could not keep my mind off of these coffee charms. So I got a bunch of those. I think those are 10 for pretty cheap. Not that much today. I got some flowers. These are 3-dimensional flowers in different colors, but they also have some caviar beads inside of silver and gold, and you can put together a great floral arrangement for your nails. Let's see. Seeing all this blood splatter designs, I decided that I wanted to take one of these. This is the kind of pump or whatever it's called that you use on your keyboard to clean stuff like that. So I figured that I can play with designs like watercolors or black droplets or stuff like that by, not actual black droplets, but yeah, by just blowing on my nails like that instead of just actually, you know. Got some fancy glitter powders for our holiday design. There's like golden, blue, black, bronze colors and all that good stuff. And I got this, guys. I'm not sure if you can understand what this is. It came a little bigger than I expected it to, but that's what she said. Oh, damn it. But these are heart. Oh god, no! No. These are heart charms made out of pearls. This is super cute. Alright, oh, that was fast. And I got this 3D pattern flowers. They come in lilac, and I found them somewhere else online as well. It says that they are kind of like wood carved or something like that. It definitely says something about wood. Now I will show you some stickers. Oh, this came with the blowing thing. But yeah, they also have really good sticker designs for really good prices on SHEIN. And just because I got a bunch of water tattoos for nails, and they did not actually turn out as I wanted them to, like they wouldn't transfer on the nail properly, I decided to go for some stickers. And I got this beautiful love stickers. More hearts in black and white. And then I got some origami ones. And I'm not sure if you have seen that anywhere. I can't remember how this is called, but I've definitely seen that somewhere and I love it. And then I get this beautiful set of 2 sheets of stickers, and they look like this. They have bronze, and they do have some abstract art on them, which are really dope. So yeah. We'll be playing around with all this stuff on the channel, so I hope you guys stick around. Please don't forget to give me a like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching. I'm so hungry to do more and more with you guys. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye!
She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that.
Have you subscribed?
No, she is more than she seems. She addicted to the manicures and coffee. But don't say that, cause she ain't that. No, she is more than she